This is Achita. Now I am going to discuss about Green Data Center outlines and scheme assignment. This is the introduction. Our world is depending more and more on technology, especially on IT. A couple of decades ago, only a small bunch of people would complain the internet of out of service. However, nowadays an inaccessibility of the internet is most organization would create a chosen paralyze their operation. Communication communication, financial, online businesses, broadcasting, researchers, and all other fields really on application hosted in the data centers that run 24 by 7. The application needs to accessible at any time throughout the year. Throughout, nobody is accessing the things. This is a literature survey we had collected energy efficient data centers. The data industry is one of the fastest growing energy users in the US. While the industry has improved its energy efficiency over the past decade, engineering analysis suggests the ample opportunities remain to reduce the energy use of the save friends money. The study explores the whether why on data centers might limit investment in the energy efficiency given the scarcity of the empirical data in the context. This is the second literature survey we had conducted. Green Green Data Center Alliance Data Center Energy Efficient Frameworks. Recently, there is a heightened level of the awareness towards energy efficiency in high performance data. Both of the to reduce the environmental pollution and the save cost. Such data centers consume massive amount of the energy for processing huge and computational requirements from the users. This is a problem analysis. Facility design and engineering, information technology, process governance, and finance. The components are followed by the 30 requirements of the attributes. The framework is comprehensive that it converts almost every level, every aspect in a data center. There was a lost in cases some higher value attributes resided in the level 3 while lower value attributes are placed in a level 1. This is a proposed solution. People's attitude and mentally shaped as a society values and state. Ignorance in public evaluates the other comfortable situations at lack of exposure community. The energy efficiency awareness should be nurtured in since at the very beginning in a person life to avoid ignorance, thus generating a convergential society. People should be educated to conserve the energy, whatever, whenever, wherever possible means that is a switching lights. This is a methodology. Google has one of the leaders. IT world has a biggest responsibility establishing high benchmark for a green computing. One of the areas that demands for the renewable energy in their data centers to diversity their green initiatives. As a recognition of for all their efforts and determination, they are the first company in the US to obtain energy management certification. These are the resource and techniques. The most accepted and renowned energy efficient data centers attributes is virtualization. This technology could reduce the energy consumption in data center up to 40%. But it must planned, designed and configured properly. Google and Facebook possess high recognition in energy efficiency within the IT world, but there is a score in the comprehension table to reflect their reputation. This is the solution. Comprehension of the 10 frameworks guidelines is the summarized, which is the extreme version of the energy efficient data center frameworks. The comprehension is a review on the green data centers frameworks by Norder Salmet. Besides that, addition of component example, building a design. Several misclassification of the requirements are attributes into a inappropriate domains and components should be amended. Some of the attributes in improving energy in data centers demand further huge investment either in a money or time. Unfortunately, not every organization has the luxury of fund and time. This is a validation compliance with the social social health, safety, legal, culture issues, nothing. And the compatibility, environment, sustainability. Our world today are getting more attached with the technology, especially IT. Behind every superb application, there will be a really on every day on data centers. Where will the processing activity reside? And besides the green factor, the framework should take in the consideration total cost of the ownership. The key components to make in a budget cost of the ownership. One of the key components to make it budget friendly for the feasible to all kind of budget. To achieve this, the comprehension 10 existing energy efficient data centers frameworks and guidelines were the preferred. Compliance with professional ethics is nil. This is the conclusion. It presents the review of the frameworks and guidelines that facilitate in building and governing green data centers. Excellent frameworks could provide data center stakeholders and decent green data centers regardless of their budget. The framework should also cover all the related aspects and the components of the data centers in achieving holistic impact. These are the references we had collected. Thank Thank you.